Your check engine light just came on. Is it serious? Can you keep driving? Or is your engine about to fail? In this video, I'll explain what the check engine light really means, the top 10 most common causes, and how to fix them easily, even without expensive tools. Watch till the end to avoid costly engine damage. The check engine light, also known as the malfunction indicator lamp, MIL, or service engine soon light, is a dashboard warning signal shaped like an engine or the words, check engine. It is part of your car's onboard diagnostics, OBD, system, which continuously monitors the engine, transmission, and emission systems. When the computer detects a fault that affects performance or emissions, it triggers this light to warn the driver. Two types of check engine light signals. The severity of the issue is usually indicated by how the light appears. Steady/solid light, yellow/orange. This indicates a minor to moderate issue, such as a loose gas cap, failing oxygen sensor, or worn spark plugs. While not an immediate emergency, it should be checked by a mechanic soon to prevent further damage or failure of an emissions test. Flashing/blinking light, orange/red. This signals a severe problem, often a catastrophic engine misfire. This condition can cause immediate, permanent damage to the catalytic converter or other vital components. If the light is flashing, you should pull over safely immediately and have the vehicle towed. Here are the top 10 common causes and their fixes. 1. Loose or faulty gas cap. A loose gas cap causes fuel vapor leaks and triggers emissions errors. The simplest fix: tighten it until it clicks, or replace it if cracked. 2. Oxygen sensor. This sensor monitors or measures exhaust oxygen for fuel control. Symptoms of a bad oxygen sensor are poor fuel economy and rough idle. How to fix: replacement needed if faulty, often due to age or contamination. 3. Catalytic converter, reduces harmful emissions or gases. Symptoms of a bad catalytic are loss of power and rotten egg smell. It is expensive to replace, usually goes bad due to neglect or O2 sensor issues. 4. Mass airflow, MAF, sensor. This controls measures how much air enters the engine. How to fix this: clean or replace if dirty or failing. 5. Spark plugs and ignition coils. This too ignite the mixture at the correct moment and dissipate heat. Worn plugs or failing coils cause misfires, requiring replacement. 6. EVAP system issues. This controls fuel vapor flow. Leaks in the fuel vapor system, often from a bad purge valve or canister, trigger the light. Symptoms of a bad EVAP is hard starting and fuel smelling. How to fix is by sealing or replacing it. 7. EGR valve, redirects some exhaust gas back into the cylinders to lower combustion temperatures, which reduces harmful nitrogen oxide, NOx, emissions, improves fuel efficiency. Carbon buildup can cause it to stick, needing cleaning or replacement. 8. Bad thermostat, stuck open or closed, preventing proper engine temperature. Replace the thermostat. 9. Vacuum leaks, leaks in hoses or intake manifold disrupt air/fuel mix. Symptoms of a vacuum leak is rough idle. How to fix: locate and seal the leak. 10. Fuel injectors, clogged or faulty injectors disrupt fuel delivery. How to fix this: can be cleaned or replaced. How to diagnose for check engine light. Use an OBD2 scanner. Read the error code. Google the code or consult a technician. Many auto shops scan for free. Note: you should not ignore the check engine light. Ignoring it can lead to 1. Engine failure. 2. Poor fuel economy. 3. Expensive repairs. Always fix small issues early. Scan your car regularly. Maintain spark plugs, sensors and oil.